Hey everybody, I want to quickly show you an awesome tool that we can use inside the classroom and outside the classroom. It is a free classroom manager tool. It is called Blocksi. When you first log in, you set up your account and you are introduced to the dashboard here. What you want to do is you would want to sync your classroom, your Google Classroom up, or create your own class with these two options. For this sake, we'll go with my APU one. Below you would normally see your students showing up below. This is used for when students have one-on-one devices such as a Chromebook. And what you would want to do is use this to monitor your students' activity or block them specifically from websites that you don't want them to get distracted to go to. You can create your own block list like I have below here. And when you start the class, you'll then see your students' screens shown. And one of the awesome tools is you can message all your students or you can directly message them instead of shouting over the class. You can even enforce a web page so the students can only get to that website and there's no distraction. You can even give them a heads up, and that freezes all their Chromebooks. And for the flipped classroom, you would want to use this when they go at home, and you can monitor a specific time that they are allowed on the Chromebook. And you can see their activity, monitor their hours logged, and also you can continue to answer any questions your students may have at home, so you're not at your desk at school. So this is great for both classroom management and your flipped classroom design. Thank you for watching.